Hi guys, welcome back. Today I want to share with you something I found when I was out shopping at Kohl's. It's this game, I Spy, Dig In, Find It game. Okay, and it comes with all these little pieces inside for the game. Now, how you play this, I'm not really 100% because I've never seen it before, but that's not why I bought it, so I really don't care how you play it. When you open it up, you have a little pack of cards, some directions. Now, if I was playing it, I would have to read those. Then you have a timer, so you probably have a certain amount of time or something to play it. But this is the really interesting part. All of these little pieces are great for miniature doll housing, okay? So if you notice, you have like a swan or an eagle. See it there? Then you have a penguin, a snowman, some scissors. I'm thinking in the sewing room you could paint that up and make it look really cool on a shelf. And maybe put it holding some sale signs. A little teeny tiny dollhouse that can be used in a little girl's room if you paint it. An ice cream for an ice cream shop. You can paint that. And then here we have what I thought was the best is you have the little rocket ship. I don't know if you can see that, but you have like a little rocket ship there. Okay. And then you have the train. Here, let me just open one of these packs. It'll be easier to see without the glare. Okay, so now you can see the scissors. And they come with blue, green, red, and yellow. Alright. A little guitar. You can snap it off the bottom and have a toy guitar for your dollhouse toys or your Santa shop. The eagle, I figured you could paint that really nicely. Then you have, you know, a ship, which could be a really nice toy again. Or it can go on a fireplace mantle if you paint it up to look like a real one. Some little animals. A little tree, which would be kind of cool if you wanted to put it in like with, like paint the top green and the bottom brown and kind of put it in with the dollhouse like display things. You have a little teddy bear. The ice cream I thought would be definitely awesome for an ice cream shop. And then I figured you could snap this bike off and pretend that it's a Barbie doll Barbie bike for a dollhouse. Then you have this airplane, which is really cool. I think this is probably one of the ones that sold me this and the little rocket ships. I thought that was like so perfect. And then you have a little toy car. You have a giant key. Not really sure what in the world you would do with that giant key, but I guess you could maybe hang it on a wall as a wall plaque. Then you have a fake toilet. I don't know, maybe for a doll. Maybe if they have American Girl dolls or something in your dollhouse, that could kind of go with that. A giant donut if you're making a donut shop. I mean, it's just so many options. And then, of course, they give you a button for whatever purpose. I guess it's like a seek and find kind of thing. Giant banana, a starfish. There's just so many different things that you can use that makes it nice for miniature. Paint this up and then you have a snowman decoration. Okay, so here's one that's already green because it's in the green set. And you would just have to paint the bottom brown. And, you know, maybe I should have shown you the items in the green a little bit better because I think you can see them better. Here's a little hat. The donut, the airplane. Sorry, my dog is barking because he knows I'm home and I haven't went in there. Scissors. And the rocket. And here you have a blue banana, a bunny rabbit, a butterfly. I mean, just lots and lots of stuff. So here's a choo-choo train too. So what I would do with this is I would go, and obviously it's not for small children because it says ages 5 and up, but I would go and, you know, check this out if you like the littles that come with it, and maybe not play the game, but definitely use it for the dollhouse. I mean, this little igloo is just so cute, so, you know, lots and lots of littles that you can use and stuff. But I got it on sale at Kohl's for $12.99. Originally, I think it was $19.99. But you might be able to find it somewhere else cheaper. I was just in there shopping for my son. So, it works. And if you have Barbie, this looks like it would be about a Barbie scale size shoe. So maybe you could paint 2 of those, wherever the other one might be. And then you could have a pair of shoes. They wouldn't actually fit on the Barbie, but I mean, they would be great for just sitting up in the room. You know, or if you do a shoe store, then you could kind of leave it sitting out and have that as the one shoe that's on display. But lots and lots of ideas here. Like and subscribe, leave a question, suggestion, or comment below, and I will see you in the next video. And check out the website because there's lots and lots of free printables on there. Free printable wallpaper, flooring, backsplashes, brick, you name it. And there's a lot of build tips that if you're new to dollhousing, you definitely want to check that out as well. Because believe me, my dad and I came up with so much stuff after doing the Beacon Hill that we were like, yeah, there's got to be an easier way. And, you know, what we found easier, we posted it. Maybe it'll help you and you won't have to worry as much or try to overcome those obstacles that we did. All right, again, it's dollhousetutorials.com, and check out the Facebook page under Miniature Dollhouse Madness and Tutorials for lots and lots of DIYs and pictures and stuff as well. All right, thanks a lot. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.